Alright, quick question. What if I want one letter to change font every frame, but I don't want the rest of the word to move at all? Sounds simple, right? Let me show you the only way this actually works. Hey guys, I'm Vin, a DaVinci Resolve master trainer and a professional video editor. My top skill is to steal other creators' work. In the previous video, I showed you how to animate text using character level styling. We changed colors, we styled fonts, we made things look fancy. Everything looked great. But here's the real question nobody asks. What if I wanted to change one single letter, just one, on every single frame without disturbing the rest of the text? Let me show you what I'm talking about. First, go to Effects tab, bring in Fusion Composition. Now click on Fusion page. Here all you can see is Media Out node. First, let me bring in a background node and a text plus node. Let me connect that to a background node. What that'll do is add a merge node in between. I'll connect the merge node to the media out. I'll give a name for this text node. Name it as suck. I'll increase the size a bit. I hope this looks good. And change color to cyan. Okay. When I right click on text box and activate character level styling, that'll open up modifiers. Most of the controls and tools are missing. But when I highlight one or two text, that'll open up all the controls and tools. See, I can change color, font, and style easily. But the real catch is you don't see any keyframes under font style or color size tracking. Like the way you see on the Tools tab, where you have all the keyframes and tools to animate the word. Well, you cannot keyframe everything under character level styling inside modifiers because you don't have the keyframe function. That's the catch most people miss out. I thought I could style everything in one single text plus node, but requires multiple nodes to style individual letters. Hope DaVinci adds this feature soon. And this isn't something most people talk about because most people never even checked. So in this video, I'm not just showing you what works, I'm showing you what doesn't. Because once you understand this limitation, everything about character level styling suddenly makes sense. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get into work. If DaVinci won't let one text press node control everything independently, then we use multiple. Let's say the word is suck, 4 letters, right? I'll bring in 4 text plus node and rename accordingly. First, let me uncheck this character level styling and go to text plus node. First, I need to copy this text plus node and paste it 3 times. But before doing that, go to text box and just keep the letter S. And let me copy this text plus node and paste it 3 more times. Now we can rearrange this. Cool. Now I need to rename second node to letter U and third node to letter C and fourth letter to letter K. Now select first text node. To change position of each text plus node, go to transform and change the offset to your liking. Visually it looks like one word, but technically every letter is independent. Now let me just animate one single letter so you can see how it works. I'll select first text plus node and move my playhead to frame 1 and then click white diamond next to font style. What that'll do is add a keyframe next to my playhead. See this white little mark? Yes, that's the one. Now I'll move 2 frames forward and change font style. And you know what? DaVinci automatically adds another keyframe. How cool. I'll do the same for next 2 frames and repeat the same after. Just change the font to your liking and that'll add a new keyframe. I'd like to change the color of this to red. Cool. Now once I'm happy with this letter, I'll repeat the same process for the remaining letters. Same steps, different font style and different color. This was just an example. Now I'll play this back. Each letter is animating independently without affecting the others. This is the only way to animate font style per letter in DaVinci Resolve. And that's how you style character level styling without modifiers. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.